I don't think it's going to be any good. It's too early. We might not want to go.
Yeah, right. I gotta put, that's Greg wanting to know if I can pour concrete. Look at him rolling.
Wow.
Seen him?
No, we haven't seen him yet.
I haven't seen him. I saw the swivel.
That is a good fish right there. Hey, tighten up that drag, would you, Doug?
Yeah, I actually did.
Oh, you're in his fish.
Yep.
It ain't that good, just a fighter.
Good enough.
Not that bad.
After Chunky Monkey.
Yep.
Man, what a chunk. What a chunk.
Wow. Now you get to release your hand.
That's
You'll feel good.
Yeah.
Got some, got a back on him.
Right?
Pouring,
You
That's
need
been
to let
pouring.
that fish go back in.
pouring some